Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for the kids of class 3 and subject is grammar. The thought for today is this: a good education is a foundation for a better future, written by Elizabeth Warren. So the meaning of this thought is, if you are educated, then your foundation, your base is strong and your future will be bright. Education is very important in today's world. Without education, it is next to impossible to achieve success. Education is the most important tool with which you can fight against the world. So, study seriously. Instructions that I give you, I want you all to follow every day. Wash your hands. Regularly wear your mask whenever you go outside. Don't eat junk food. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. And obey your parents. The content of our today's video will include lesson number 12, adjectives, that we have already begun. I have explained what are adjectives. Introduction to adjectives. I'll just revise the concept of adjectives once again. Learn how to use adjectives in the sentences. Some pictures will be given. You will know how to use the adjectives at which place, and we will solve some textual exercises. Right? So that will be very much important for you, today's lecture, because we will also cover the textbook exercises in it. I want you to attend the lecture very cautiously and listen to me attentively. Let's begin. So first, let me give you the recap of the previous video. In the previous video, I had explained what are adjectives, right? So, what is an adjective? Adjective is the word that describes noun or pronoun. For example, Sophie is a clever girl. Clever describes the girl, Sophie. So, clever is an adjective. Nouns are the naming words. For example, the place, an object, a person, or an animal, all are nouns. Pronouns are the words which are used instead of nouns. All these are pronouns. She or her, they or them, it, all these are pronouns. We had read a story of grand Christmas party. In that, it was a Christmas Day evening. Jack and Emma, they ran to see the wonderful gifts from Santa. Jack got a red car, Emma got a beautiful doll. And it was time to get ready for the grand party. Jack and Emma, they wore new clothes. Emma, she wore pretty red dress and long boots, while Jack, he wore smart jacket with 4 pockets. Then mother and father were also well dressed and they made the table. The happy twins, both Emma and Jack, both were happy. They were waiting for loving grandparents. And then comes a big shiny green car, and the tall grandpa comes out. Grandpa has a long white beard, just like Santa Claus. Gracious grandma, she is wearing yellow scarf. And she also carries tiny purse with her. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, they shout. And grandparents have brought many gifts and they have brought fragrant flowers from the garden. Here comes lovely couple. Here is the couple you see, husband and wife. A lovely couple is there over here, you can see. Then Aunt Susie, she gives a huge teddy bear to Emma, and Jack gets favorite helicopter. Uncle Sam is handsome man. He is wearing a blue suit. Uncle Sam gives the gift. Pink hat he gives to Emma and colorful ball he gives to Jack. Jack likes to eat crunchy cookies and Emma gets creamy mashed potatoes. Everyone enjoys great family time. Then we had matched it, the adjectives with the images we had done. I hope you remember this, all the adjectives with the pictures that we had matched. Now let us move ahead to the textual exercise. So the heading, what will you give? Lesson number 12, adjectives. That is the lesson we are studying. Lesson number 12, adjectives. Textual exercise. The exercise from your textbook we will solve. And you already come to know what are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words like good, bad, tall, short, big, small, bright, dull, and all the colors. See all these colors. These colors are also adjectives. Did you know that? Pink, blue, brown, black, white, all the colors are adjectives. If I say he is wearing a white shirt or the girl is wearing the black dress, so blue, black, white, all the colors are adjectives. Let us solve the exercise. So choose the correct describing words for these pictures. Here we have to select the correct words. Let us do it. So here you will write the answers. You have to write the answers number wise. This is the warm-up exercise. The warm-up exercise from your textbook. Right? So you will just write the answer. You will write number 1 and then you will write the answer which we mark. So let us begin. See what is given over here. You can see the bottle, very colorful bottle. Right? What will you mark over here? Which adjective will you mark over here? Which color it is? Is it blue, tall or pink? What is it? Yes, it is pink. But it is also blue color. See, over here the color is blue, right? And the color is also pink. So what do we mark? We will mark both blue and pink. Both are correct. The bottle is not very tall, so we will not mark this one tall, but blue and pink, that we will mark for bottle, water bottle. Then number 2, wow, very wonderful, colorful ball it is. So many colors are there. See, red, yellow, green, very beautiful looking ball it is, right? So, let us see the adjectives. Round, colorful, square. So, square, no, it does not look square, is it? No, it is not square. But yes, it is round. It is also colorful, isn't it? So many colors are there and the ball is round. So, which two adjectives shall we mark? Round and colorful. Both are correct options. Round and colorful. The ball is round and the ball is colorful. Then, number 3. See, I hope you are writing the answers. In number 1, you have to write blue and pink. In number 2, you will write round and colorful. Then number 3. Oh, this animal, very scary, wild animal it is. So, what do you see over here? What do you see on his skin? Do you see spots, these black spots? Yes, he is spotted animal. And yellow color it is. Yellow color and spotted, it cannot be kept as pet. Can we keep this as pet animal with us? No, it is a wild animal. And we cannot keep it as a pet. So it is yellow, it is spotted, but it is not a pet. So which options do we mark? Yellow and spotted. Here you will write the spellings of yellow and spotted. Do write the correct spelling, spotted, spotted. This is yellow as well as spotted animal, right? Then number 4, see this, fruit. It is a fruit, right? So read the options, adjectives which are given: red, round, sour. Red, round, sour. How does it look? What is the shape? It is red. Yes. It is round also. Yes. But sour, is it sour? No, means khatta. Is it sour? No, it is not. So it is red and it is round. So that two options, the first two options are correct. It is red as well as it is round. So in number 4 you will write the two answers, red and round. Then number 5, beautiful butterfly it is, isn't it? So the adjectives which are given: colorful, insect or ugly. What is it? It has so many colors, see, white, brown, black, and it is also an insect. Butterfly, caterpillar, butterfly, these are insects. But is it ugly? Means is it bad looking? No, it is very beautiful. It is not ugly. So colorful and insect, that are the two correct options. Colorful, it is very colorful, so many colors, and it is also an insect. So these are the two correct options, colorful and insect. That was number 5. Number 6. What do you see over here? Oh, your mouth is watery. Isn't it watery? Isn't it looking very yummy, very delicious? Yes, just like sweet gulab jamus we have, right? So let us read: soft, delicious or bad. It is very soft. You have eaten gulab jamus, rasgullas. All these things are very soft. So it is correct. Then what is given? delicious. Delicious means yummy, very tasty. Yes, that is also correct. Bad. No, I don't think it is bad. Is it? It is not bad. It is very good. So third option is wrong. But the first two options are definitely correct. It is soft, very very soft, and it is also delicious, very yummy. So you will write these two options in number 6. So till here it was your warm up exercise. What did we see in warm up exercise? Let us see once again. In your warm up exercise of lesson number 12, we saw this beautiful things and we marked the adjectives which are correct in front of them, right? That were the 6 things that we just saw. Now let us read these sentences and move ahead and solve the textual exercises. Read these sentences along with me. A giraffe is a tall animal. It is a bright day. My dog is black in color. So the highlighted words tell us more about nouns or pronouns. These are the highlighted words: tall, bright, black. They tell us more about they tell us more about nouns. It tells us, see, which kind of animal giraffe is, which kind of animal tall, which kind of day it is bright, which kind of color black. So we come to know more about nouns. A word that tell us more about a noun or a pronoun is called adjective. These words will tell us more about nouns or pronouns. This word which describes the noun or pronouns are called adjectives. And we just have understood what are adjectives, right? You already know this, what are adjectives. Now let us solve the textual exercise and give the heading as given over here. Write 3 adjectives to describe these pictures. One has been done for you. So, pictures are given over here. Beautiful pictures, images are given. You have to write 3 adjectives for each one of these. Right? So, see over here, the first image, the answer is given. So, answer A, you can write it. It is already given. How does this snake look? It is scary. Very scary. You get afraid. It is very big. See how long tail it has. It is very big. And fiery means it is very dangerous. So these are the 3 adjectives which are used for this snake. Scary, big, fiery. These are the 3 adjectives used for this snake. Then, this is the beautiful bike. See, yellow, black, beautiful bike it is, right? So, let us write 3 adjectives for this bike. As such, I said you can write the color. What color it is? Yellow. And it looks very new. It is brand new bike. And what is the speed? Does it go slow or fast? It goes very, very fast at the speed of a bullet. So let us write the 3 adjectives describing this vehicle. So here I have written the 3 adjectives. You will also write this answer along with me. It is exercise 1B. Yellow, new and fast. Yellow, new and fast. You will also learn the spellings along with this. Then this radio, right? This is radio. Can you write the color? Can you write the size about it? What is it? Yes, it is grayish, grey, and it is handy. You can hold it in your hand. And what else you can write? It is musical, right? What else you can write? Musical. It is music. Music is played from this. So let us write the 3 adjectives now. So here are the 3 adjectives. Grey, handy, musical. Musical means the music is played from this device. It is grey. Learn the spellings. Grey, grey, Handy, handy, Musical, musical. These are the 3 adjectives. Number 4. What is this? Oh, it is very yummy. Your mouth has started watering. It is watery, yummy and delicious. Right? I already gave one answer. It is delicious. Is it cold or hot? Obviously it is cold. What is the taste? It is sweet in taste, a cake. So let us write the 3 adjectives. So here we have 3 adjectives: cold, delicious and sweet. COLD, cold. DELICIOUS, delicious. And SWEET, sweet. Cold, delicious and sweet. Then image number 5. You can see a small animal over here, right? It is a small animal you can see. It can be kept as pet in our house. And what is the color? Brown in color. And what kind of hair does it have? See the hair. It is pointed, it is sharp. Means it is called spiky. You know spiky hair some people have. So let us write the 3 adjectives describing this animal. So here are the 3 adjectives describing this animal. It is pet, so PET, pet. BROWN, brown. spiky, spiky. Pet, brown, spiky. Then see this image. Image number 6. What is it? It is a necklace. It is very costly, means lot of rupees is needed for buying it, and it is looking round because you can wear around the neck. And what is the color? It is white in color, isn't it? So let us write the 3 adjectives for this necklace. So here I have written the 3 adjectives describing this necklace. Expensive. Expensive means it is very costly. Lot of rupees is needed for buying it. It is round, 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 and it is white, white, white in color. So these are the 3 adjectives describing this necklace. So here we complete exercise 1 of lesson number 12, adjectives. Moving ahead to the next exercise, we have circle the adjectives in these sentences. You will write the same heading as it is given over here. Circle the adjectives in these sentences. The sentences are given around 10 sentences, and you have to circle the adjectives. Read each one and circle the adjectives and write the answer in your notebook. So I will read one by one. I will circle the adjectives for you. You will write just the answers, but in sequence you will write A, B, C, D. In proper sequence you will write the answer. Before that, give the complete heading in your notebook. Circle the adjectives in the sentences. Number 1. A rose is a beautiful flower. A rose is a beautiful flower. What is the adjective over here? What describes the flower? The flower is described with the adjective beautiful, means very good looking. So we will circle that word beautiful because that is the adjective. Beautiful, beautiful. The flower, the rose flower is beautiful. B or number 2. This is a popular show. This is a popular show. Show means you might have seen the show on television. Some serials are there, right? And which kind of show it is? It is popular, means so many people watch this show every day. Like there are many shows. Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, that is one of the most popular TV shows, right? So popular is an adjective. Let us circle that word popular because it is an adjective. So instead of circling the word, I have underlined the word. You can also circle the word. It is up to you. Here it is written circle. You can also do underline. So popular is adjective, means very famous. Number 3 or C. Ali is a little boy. Ali is a little boy. Which kind of boy he is? Little boy. He is a small boy. He is not very big. He is a little boy. That can also describe his age. He is very young. So little is an adjective in sentence number 3. Number 4. Ravi has a fat dog. Ravi has a fat dog. Which kind of dog does he have? Fat. You know what is fat? It is opposite of thin. The person who are fat, they need lot of space for sitting, right? They also eat a lot. So the dog is very fat. The dog is fat. So fat is an adjective. It describes the size of the dog. Number 5. He is an intelligent man. He is an intelligent man. Here it is described. The man is described. Which kind of man he is? He is an intelligent man. Means very smart. Very brainy. Intelligent means very smart. So that is our adjective. So underline that word intelligent. INTELLIGENT. Gent, intelligent. That is an adjective, means very smart. Number 6. Mr. Tambe is an honest policeman. See here, it is given. He is Mr. Tambe. He is an honest policeman. So, what is the quality of this man? Which kind of policeman he is? An honest policeman. Honest is the answer. Honest, honest. Here H will be silent. You will speak like this. Honest means he never does anything wrong and he always speaks truth. That is called honest. That is an adjective. You should also be honest like Mr. Tambe. Next, sentence G. His father is a busy man. His father is a busy man. So, what describes the man? Which kind of man he is? He is busy, means he is working all the time. He has not got even a little free time. He is busy and busy, working all the time. That is an adjective. Next, sentence H. Mother makes delicious food. Mother makes delicious food. Which kind of food mother makes? She makes delicious food. Here, delicious is an adjective. Delicious. Delicious means very tasty, yummy food. She makes delicious food. Sentence I. I cannot find the grey notebook anywhere. I cannot find the grey notebook anywhere. Which kind of notebook it is? Or what is the color of the notebook, if I may ask? What is the color of the notebook? It is grey in color. And as I had told you, see the slide, colors are there everywhere. These colors are all adjectives. So I have put colors around these slides. So grey is also an adjective. Any color. All the colors are adjectives. So grey is an adjective. Grey, white, blue, black, all are adjectives. Last sentence of this exercise. Throw the bad apples in the dustbin. The rotten apples which are not to be eaten, which are bad, you cannot eat them. You should not eat bad. So good, bad, nice, all these are adjectives. Which kind of apples? They are bad apples. Bad apples as in they are rotten. You cannot eat, otherwise it will harm you. So bad is an adjective. Here we complete exercise 2. I hope you enjoyed the video and you have completed exercise 1 and exercise number 2 of lesson number 12 in your rough book. So I want you to complete in your textbook as well. Please do it. Till then, all of you have to watch the videos every day. Thank you. Have a nice day.